Every morning, millions of people rush to work, but most are running in circles, not forward. Without even noticing, money slips through their fingers every single day. One coin here, another there, and soon it all drains away. Bills pile up, stress grows, and the cycle feels impossible to break. The mailbox keeps filling, the desk gets heavier, and so does the heart. And they're not alone. All around, the same silent struggle repeats. It starts small, a shiny new gadget calling your name. But every impulse buy becomes another chain holding you back. Swipe after swipe, interest grows, a monster hiding in the shadows. The paycheck arrives and disappears just as quickly. Fast fixes and easy meals swallow the budget bite by bite, hoping for luck with the last dollar, while certainty slips away. Subscriptions stack up, costing more than they give back. And the cart keeps tipping, heavy with things that never bring true wealth. But here's the truth. The difference isn't money itself, it's mindset. One small choice, saving even $10, can start a ripple. Over time, those ripples build, drop by drop, day by day. A single coin can grow roots. With patience, that seed becomes a tree. And its branches bear the fruit of financial freedom. The knowledge you gather waters the growth even more. Start simple. Pay yourself first before anyone else. Brew your own coffee. Small changes compound. Choose meals that truly feed both body and budget. Watch your wealth slowly grow. Steady, strong, unstoppable. Confidence is knowing you truly don't need every temptation. Give every single dollar a clear home and purpose. Invest not just in money, but in skills and knowledge. Learn, adapt, and consistently level up. Build partnerships that grow deeper than just profits. And let your money keep working for you, even while you rest. This is how ordinary daily choices create extraordinary change. From sunrise to sunset, your story doesn't have to remain the same. What feels small today will surely overflow tomorrow. Because true wealth isn't about luck, it's about choices. And the choice is yours.